Hey. Just wanted to come on for a minute and drop some information because, that's what I do. I just randomly think of things and I want to come share. For a long time, like I suffered with things like mom guilt. Um, I wanted to have time for me, but they needed things as well. That carried on into my relationship as a wife. And I felt like I needed to do certain things for him so that our house could run properly. But then there was no time for me. And then over the years, I became very busy with clients, and that took up a lot of my time and energy as well. But I guess my point here is this: we create our own time, we create our own energy, we create our own everything. And if something isn't serving me, I don't need to change it. I need to look at why it's not serving me. I need to go deep, I need to go rich, right? I need to look really, really in the eye, the root of what's happening. Where did I get this information from? Why do I think it's true? Who told me this? What if you can rest and take care of them? What if you can actually have all the time in the world, but no one ever showed you how? I remember being there, lost, confused, stuck, overwhelmed, exhausted, pissed, shitty, all the things. Now, none of it. Did things still happen in the world? Yeah, absolutely. Life happens for humans. We're on Earth. We bleed. We cry. The plumbing fucks up. The truck doesn't start. Life happens, right? Sometimes the boss is just a dick. It's real. But how do I show up in it? Way, way, way different than I did in the past. And this is the how. So join me. I'll be here Tuesday, 6 p.m. Mountain Time. I'm going to talk about pain and suffering, guilt, shame, all the things that keep us stuck, and how to get out, how to change it, how to like yourself, how to love your life, how to look in the mirror and actually enjoy what you see. And I'm not just talking about the physical appearance, but I'm talking about the environment, the satisfaction. Do you feel satisfied? I didn't for a long time. It's fucking nice. It feels good. Satisfaction is yum. I like comfort. I'm not afraid of it. If you want to learn to be comfortable in your skin, in your home, in your life, when you look in the mirror, join me.